yeah, today we're gonna box. Yeah, we're gonna box something. So I can't really have a stand because an incident happened. Now that it's broken. Why the? Well, yeah, it's like this now. It's quite a shame. We'll have to get a new one now. Whatever, silly. Well, whatever. So we're gonna, open it up. Be harder since I have one hand to do this. Mouse. Oh, it's heavy. Let's go apply it to this little kid. That's falling apart. Here's my iPad. So let's open it up. Seems like the right one. Let's open it. Okay. Give me that. There we go. Oh, USB-C cable. Wow. Add another one to the pile from the tempered gems I had. Okay. New thing. It doesn't look bad. It looks pretty nice. And it's pretty heavy as well. I'm not even kidding, dude. Okay, that's how you open it. Okay. Oh, look, it comes with something. Oh, it comes with something. Good thing. Yeah. Wow. I don't know what this is. What is that? Like, that's. Never seen that. Okay, get back in there. The keyboard itself. Okay. Okay. I should probably see the quality. But it's not bad. Okay. So what does this work? Oh, it's magnetic. Okay. Oh, whatever. Skip this. Not bad. Let's put our iPad in. Oh, it just feels so nice finally having a tablet with the correct case. This case is like an iPad 11 case or something. And I was using like from another case. It's like something that fell apart. It's not bad. So how do you charge this? Oh, USB-C. And then, I'm assume. Okay, but how do you? Oh, I know. There we go. Now you can see me. Oh, okay. So you have to connect it. That's what I'm gonna guess. So let's go. What? Hey! No. Settings. Now, Bluetooth. Now it's, yes, Bluetooth keyboard. Whoa! Let's test it out with an app I have. Well, first, actually, let's unbox my mask again. Now it's going to open my face. Let's connect it. There's a mask. Wait. Well, I don't see many USB ports here. So, please tell me it has Bluetooth. Oh no. Oh no, it is Bluetooth. Okay. Okay. Well, let's see if it works. How do you repair this? Wait, there? Maybe? How do you repair this? Oh, there you go. And it works. Hey. Okay. So let's try it over here. Okay. Alright. Let's try. Okay. I can't type. That sucks. Yeah, 69. Why not? Where's the plus? I'm gonna put plus 80. Then equal. No. Okay. It does work, I guess. I should just try to type like or something. Do I know? Do I have a document or something? Yeah, close. Okay, I don't have it. Okay, so let's do it. Oh. There you go. It's a bit better. Okay, it's much better now. Let's try to play a game. It's a pretty nice keyboard. Oh, it's not great, but like it feels nice for me. Yeah. Free online games. Holy crap, man! Do it. Oh my gosh, right. Well, it works. Let's play this fake Minecraft. Yes, play now. Ugh. Yes. Good play. Yeah, this is not a very good game. How do I move? Oh, it's W. So how do you jump? How do you jump? Okay. It's a bit tough. It runs. So how do you brake? How do I move the camera? Oh, there we go. I guess it works. It's not bad. I don't know how to use. Let's test the like pen. Hey. Oh, looks like this one. Oh, how do you do this? Oh, push it. There you go. How does this work? It doesn't feel bad. This is. I thought this was something. Let's draw something. It's not very good. Oh wait. No. Just draw. Continue. Draw. I can't do this anymore. Well, that's it. Well, bye.